Hey everyone! Today I've got some pretty cool news to share about someone who's stepping out from under a massive shadow to shine on her own. Yep, I'm talking about Suri Noel, the daughter of mega-famous actor Tom Cruise and actress Katie Holmes. So, what's the big news? Well, Suri Noel, who's now 18, just made a bold move as she prepares for college. She's decided to drop her famous last name Cruise, and instead, she's going by Suri Noel. That's right, she's embracing her mother's middle name as her own surname now. Quite the statement, huh? Suri Noel recently graduated from LaGuardia High School, a place known for nurturing some incredibly talented artists. And guess where she's heading next? Carnegie Mellon University. In a TikTok video posted by one of her classmates, Suri Noel can be seen proudly wearing a Carnegie Mellon sweatshirt, dancing around in celebration with her friends. It's clear she's super excited about this new chapter in her life. Now, for those of you wondering what she might study, while it's not confirmed, Suri Noel has shown a real passion for the arts during her time in high school. She's been involved in several plays, and even starred in her school's production of Head Over Heels, a musical featuring songs from the 1980s girl group The Go-Go's. Interestingly, during this play, she didn't use Cruise as her last name in the cast list. Instead, she used Noel, marking perhaps the first public step towards embracing this new identity. It's a bold move considering her father's towering presence in Hollywood, but it seems like Suri Noel is determined to carve out her own path, independent of her family's fame. And honestly, that's pretty inspiring. So, what do you guys think? Is Suri Noel setting a new trend for celebrity kids, striving to make their own mark? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. It was the Sunshine Worldwide Trending News. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, push thumbs up and stay tuned for more is coming by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to push the notification bell to receive all the hottest news of the globe.